Yo, Makwa Badwam Ahosepe Jumedi, so me sure send ma who send me set bibia asesa. Yen chechiamo, me amedi Jumedi and what me need the sister Sandy B. A guy, Ghana's entertainment prophet, 2 times a guy, and Kwada Mami. Yes, she say entertainment home come watch here, dear Chebu. And I have flying in because I've got some beautiful babes. Oh, my Baba Strame, oh, studio has say, people, you're not ready for what is coming. Samaya ready. Now, Miss Maya ready. Come B, young fan Sambo. And she, my beautiful, beautiful, beautiful girl. JJ. Wow. All right, let's go. Okay. Oh, let's go.
We they do one for the happiness.
Okay. My beautiful girls. Hey, thank you. Many of my airbatching in Como, OPD, Dorothy, Pomawa Triam, director, Kobe PM sound, PRO Ben, or Mucha says, when I know quite batching Commonia Bisa, almost said you made no moody, no more said designers for why now. Ningina Godwin, more hat Thomas, squad will be a CIA. Real quick. We introduce some of one after invited the brains, the ever beautiful evergreen. My friend R2G refusing to grow. The woman king behind this beautiful pageant. Answer now, we introduce them real quick.
Patrol Midindi, Teta Faustina, Town Koliki, with the stage name Koliki from Susu.
Okay, what kind of the mic name? One say be better on boldness, no.
Patrol your friend.
Kowano.
My stage name ye Kenny from Okpeyiloklo.
Okay, PR crew.
I'm Victoria Mamleda Pa with a stage name Mamle from Manya.
Oh, my God, I said Ben Krum for.
Okay, I'm Gifty Coco Na Cassandra, but the stage name Coco from Dom in Manyaklu.
Dom dear, Ebinifi, Dom dear.
I'm Gifty Amidede Akitwa with the stage name Amidede from Plow.
Plow will be free plow by a surface.
I'm Hetty Abiao Odi Afi with the stage name Afi from Jebian Papa known as Adom.
What do you mean, young call? You're too quiet, Papa.
I am Priscilla Tete Padiko with the stage name Padiko from Ogome of Yiloklo.
Oh, okay. You also owe the other day.
Ogome.
Yeah. Ogome crab. Thomas Crow. That's a me go for now. The brains behind this beautiful beauty pageant. Maybe say I know you're presenter for a day. Introduce your madam for me.
Miss Franca Padiki Samaji, you're welcome to the stage.
Miss Franca, wow, ever beautiful. Thank you. Oh,
oh, thank you. Just like you.
Oh, thank you, is it?
Yeah.
My friend R2G. Sister, for so many years, and then I heard you, man. As I did, you're married, you're here once. Said Johnny Bain, would you order a secret? I didn't would you?
Me passion, you would be named you. Wow. I am a pegari photo party.
Aquaba.
Yeah.
Last year, mobile.
Me passion.
I finished more honey in your course, say. More say, but I'm say, but you are more. I say, why is all about girls need to know you are still on it?
Me passion.
This year, team that's year.
Me passion. Theme ne together for her future.
Wow. Yeah. But that's great. Together for her future. Yeah. Great. And see, we know what they call a year that be
me pacho we know 4th October.
Oh, okay.
Ewo Agomanya parish will be in last year.
Oh.
Now
my MC that na me book me home see live on TV.
Check me say I send you message free bam wo no.
Ah, bibia so here terms and conditions.
Me say
Oh.
You better ne did this.
No problem. Now what designers?
Me pacho, would the any family?
Oh, cameraman.
Oh, Miss Wood.
What's with your Naja? Baby, our home. Paddy.
Sister Santi.
I bet 2 girls, no, you know what they've got. Obi also represented town be.
Me pacho.
So be a baby kakra about the town. Say asa. Say a poem.
Okay.
Within 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
Say poem. Ebi so ukromo e mimi dey say adwane ade bi ade obi a obetimi anti no. Kwabi P, stand by for me with tunes and sounds. Now, you're starting from my right. Baby girl, step forward. Hey, what did they call? Bajene hele. Okay. It's step forward when you wanna mommy.
Okay.
Ukromo hono, what can you tell us about your town, Diana? Obete o Mike ni. Diana beti mi aye about Ukro na ofrino.
Minya kame pasa hin.
Asano.
Yeah.
Oh, Kwabi P. You jatum ni yen radio. Obeti mi aye no wa pass mic to the next person. Wow, say nyom no get or say asa. So let's see how they do it. E ukra ofri. Also ofri ko ben.
Kwekpe susu.
PR ukrom ho. Ti yen radio on beti mi. Ade aye sa my Kwabi P. Yen radio o de be my na yen. Wow, say yen twen Kwabi P ni nyina no. Mene Madam Paddy and Kasa. Programs like this, you know, you are projecting the town.
Me pachoing.
That is so many.
Me pachoing. Nye so manya ye yilo.
Okay.
But uba odumase krobo honum now constituencies ni ye miensa. Ye wo yilo krobo. Ene ye wo lower manya krobo. Eno no ye odumase bomuno agomanya fo no. Ena uko so manya eno na ye yilo. But uka upper manya na ye asese wa in the suburbs.
Okay, all right. And you get support from the people, the chief, the queen
yes.
mothers?
We wouldn't say the chiefs per se, but obiansi ye kwa ye kwa omuji ya wawe too. Efutu ni nioma waso omudi supporting omudi ye ba kroma fo no nso atade pam printing eti ye makeup ni nyina no ye kroma fo no na asomasene.
And ye deba ebeda mu nyina mo ase. Baby girl, step forward again and you're now ready. Into 3, 2, 1, show us, baby. Hey. Hey, what are beautiful with her? Okay, your girls are well perched. Here on our audio, Paddy there, baby girl. Then also be able to show us as a beauty queen. Oh,
yes.
Okay, Kwabi P, jatum. Hey, grab a first, I know, Okay, all right. Okay, and what's the name of this beauty pageant?
Me pacho Miss Kloyo.
Miss Kloyo.
Me pacho.
I know need now for them.
Me pacho Krobonia Bayo.
Okay. That's what Badwam Ahosepe.
Me pacho Clama.
Oh, mon starting in the tree. More you be a mobile to
me pacho sister Imamli.
And yes, that's a young na young quite more ya the background as Savage now.
Oh, yeah. Mado hawalo. Okay. No, no, kone mnyechopenye hino.
Yeah, okay.
Mama mwenye wo kela biengenye.
Mama
mwenye dokachano.
Kela biengenye. Kideja ijawenoko.
Kaila la la.
Kideja ijawenoko.
Kaila la la.
Yuwa machine waye.
Kaila la la.
Machine pungwalo mini.
Kaila la la.
Machine pungwalo mini.
Kaila la la.
Nilenye lilengeke.
Kaila la la.
Nilenye.
Osana mwasi ya to
Kaila la la.
Kaila la la o.
Kaila la la o. Kaila la la. Kaila la la omo.
Hey, what you?
Kaila la la o.
Kaila la la.
Bibile o machamike nanao. Bibile o machamike nanao. Chamike nanao. Chamike nanao. Bibile o machamike nanao. Kideja ijawenoko.
Kaila la la.
Kideja ijawenoko.
Kaila la la.
Watine pungolo mini.
Kaila la la.
Watine pungolo mini.
Kaila la la.
Kaila la la.
Kaila la la.
Omo.
I said do I embarrass any answer? And I'm mediating na my TV poor guy.
When I say you share hills in this area, you're corona into now when she didn't who are sunny.
There was a yes, say, Mount.
Nice to see family. Now, if I go home, share.
So, showing the culture of so many Miss Kloyo, so many cry a suburb, you know, showing the culture of the people of the East. That is what Miss Kloyo is all about. And, you know, real quick, you know. Yanji word in phobia, hope I time. No, kakrebi word from Obia, starting free has say no. The person will can be to webby, say about who, say about the uyo, so bet you will be few words in 10 seconds, baby girl.
Please, my name is Priscilla Tete Padiko, as I said earlier, a student of the University of Environment and Sustainable Development.
Oh, yeah,
me pacho, the Meka Kakrani say. Me here mumwa efa se mbe voti ama me ene mumpaibo se mbe voti ama me na metimi edi nkunim ewo ade we mu
okay
pamacho mestre mu se mbe boa me pa mumpaibo any vote ni here me pa
yeah that's it what's so bia you know baby girl over
Pacha asa me ka
but me can't come because I am comfortable in the Adom TV. They are doing.
Me did the afi.
Yeah.
And me person me can't show via say I want to still stay in the competition. As I me and can. It's on your vote time. Learn here your vote can you support.
Okay.
Okay, win competition. Thank you.
Thank you too, baby girl.
Ikpanya pek abani denye.
Yeah.
Achemi amideti. Nganye pek pai. Nanye boaham ke vote. Nemaka yekunim ngadisia Miss Kloyo mi. Nyechumka.
Kai la. Okay.
Okay, thank you. From the Western region, they say the best is the West.
Okay.
But in the Krobo land, we say the best is Dom. Vote for Koko to bring the crown to Dom division. Thank you.
Thank you too, baby.
Hi, lovely people. This is your favorite girl.
I'm Adom TV. Quite more rebel for Gumi to say. I'm going to be catching you. I'm going to be come Kasabia. You know, patronize Ghanaian language. More patronize Ghana Kasa na Kasa and son Kobian Kane Kasa.
Ikpan penye swolo mamle jinoni. Monoki da singa yom no ison kan nyeba ye buaham nye votam nye soli nye ke support me ne mo kan aki clean ke baby nye chumka.
Okay, me da CP baby girl. Pacho yanko.
Ikpan pe imi keni jinoni. Ison kan ye buami.
Oh, feel free. That's a.
Ison kan ye buami. Ne mo wa ke Kloyo kebawem. Ne nye vote ham hu no nye ngonye solim ke taise ne mo ke ya ne mo ke bang etu.
Okay, me da see.
Pacho mi dinde koleki. Madofo nyina mun vote mame na kan se mi ntimi winning. So person vote mame a dial star 920 *20# minimum unique code there SAF2 SAF2 obetima vote amame senior ope biam dase.
Okay, it's because Adom TV awards oye na mamrani amane ho hia yenti no. Ye wo hanom for all these things a promote culture one way or the other. It's you know, Miss Paddy. Medasipi, we'll find out ways to adopt why she.
So Madam was say, asida edi kind me de be man kroma for ye MCs Emma Yilo any lower mania Honorable Akumate and Honorable John Mate Maduku and Sons Kate many of them Paritech Philips IT Omodo also your friend is saying Shasha Beauty Studio, J Spark. Your friend is saying Oji Prince Media, Mr. Prince, Flexi One. Omodo so na Creative College. Me pa mo cho. Me mbo bie di nshada nja obia. Omodo so. But ye ba ye bebo mu no. Mo bie yen. Ena mu ni aye adwuma ofe so. Magye atom. Ye gina ha ne ayese edam wase. Ye remfi mu eni amayama nyina ye ni so.
Yani so me din the sister Sandy be a guy OPD. I'm a director of Bomechidom Kobe P. Our inside of MCR engineering. Madam Mungina Master Sets, PRO Ben, Safas, Omina Master Thomas, God Multimedia Dance God, Barrett. Phyllis, that's all. Now must say, Hannah, Yadi Bessia, since why Mormon child skills, why they are the beauty queens of Miss Kloyo. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. Oh, you back on way. Hey, I was saying, I can't more. I don't want to be Miss Kloyo. La la la. Over now, Mama Mike in a way. Hey, la la la. Ya come on, Yabeshia.